I was gifted this box of 3D printed animals and I am so excited about it. I've been seeing so many of these and they are so, so cute, but I wanted to actually show you how they're packaged because it's packaged really, really cute. They even include some crinkle paper in there, so it's just so fun to open. But let's take a look at the actual animals. So again, this is a 50 pack, so you really get a nice amount. I have to say this one is one of my favorites. It's a little fish. It is those eyes. It's so precious. So what I love about all of them is they all move. They all wiggle, they all move just the way that they were printed and created. So I just think it is super fun. My kids cannot get enough of these and they collect them. So they are going to be so excited when I show them that we have another box of these. But I'm super impressed with the designs that this brand came up with. This is a little dino, so cute. He has a little smile if you can't see that. So really great quality, a ton of fun and different designs, which I absolutely love. Here's another little dino, so cute. My son's gonna love this. It's like a little triceratops. Here's a little owl. Oh my goodness, I can't even deal. The little wings move. I mean, can you get cuter than that? What I love about these is I could come up with so many different uses for them. They are really great for party favor bags. These are great Easter egg fillers. It's just not your typical junk or candy. And that's what I love about it. It's just different and fun. They could get wet. So with the summer around the corner, this is something you could bring out with the water table. I feel like we're gonna do like, not like a car wash, but like a little 3D animal wash where they all get like a little bath or something. My kids are gonna go crazy over that. So I love, again, that it's not just your typical junk. It's not slime, it's not candy. It's really something different to keep your kids busy and entertained. And like I said, like a prize box filler. I know that's a big one. Here's another dino. I love all the dinos in this set. Here's a unicorn. Can't not have a unicorn. It is absolutely precious. Let me see. Oh my God, there's a lobster in here, a little horse. There's so many good designs. A little, oh my goodness, this one's wearing a Santa hat. That's so cute. That too, little stocking stuffers. I could just come up with so many different little uses. Here's a hammerhead shark and it was made with like a sparkly material, which I love. I've never seen that before. That's amazing. There's also one in here. I'm assuming this is a hippo. It's silver. That is awesome. One more I want to show. Oh my goodness, a pig. We could be here all day with me showing you how cute each design is. There's one more that I wanted to show you, but oh my goodness, an elephant. So cute, and a little turtle. Where's the one just slipped away on me that I wanted to show you? It was so cute. Oh, here it is. A little reindeer to go with the one that just had a Santa hat. I mean, so cute. Honestly, perfect for Elf on the Shelf. So if you grab this box, grab this one out and put it with your Elf on the Shelf. But overall, I'm super impressed with the variety you get, how many you get, and the great quality they are. So cute. So many different uses for these. Highly recommend.